Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with an invitation for a new fun collaboration hosted by BB's Closet Creations. It's called hashtag New Things to Try in 2024. I'm super excited to co-host with her. So BB, thank you for the invitation and we hope that you can join in the fun. So her idea was basically that we come up with 24 new things to try. And these are not New Year's resolutions. These are things that bring us joy, make us happy. They can be the most little things on your list, whether it's trying to redo a new area in your house, trying a new hobby, going on a trip somewhere. You can also mix match it and include some of your crafty things that you would like to try that you've probably never done. So if you're new to junk journaling, maybe you want to try your hand in junk journaling. If you're new to card making, make card making and crocheting. The list goes on and the possibilities are endless. So we're super excited. So all it is you create a masterboard in the style that you want, in the format that you would like. In BB's case, she did a flip through of her personal journal, and in her journal, she created a masterboard basically signifying all the 24 things that she would like to do this year. So if you'd like to see that, I'll link her channel down below. And in my case, I'm going to make a folio folder with the 24 things that I would like to do this 2024. So I will be showing you what that looks like. I have all my materials out there here, and I am going to see what I can come up with in terms of a masterboard. So I've been creating vision boards for myself for many years now, and it's definitely been a wonderful way to create a little roadmap for yourself, whether it's a monthly vision board, a yearly one if you would like. It's basically a giant collage or a small collage. I had made one years ago that was a tabletop, and I would just put it on my desk like a little calendar style. And it was really helpful because each month had a different theme, and it definitely kept me on my toes. Now, life does throw us all these challenges, and some of us share it here in our community online, and some of us quietly go through it. So I wanted to make sure that we all kind of got together and inspire each other. I'd love to know what 24 things you would like to try. So let me get to working on this folio, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, I'm back. I completed my folio masterboard for our collaboration. Before I show you what I ended up making, here are 3 important dates that you can take note if you decide to join. So we will be posting our masterboards anytime between January 26th until end of February. So if you are watching this in February, you still have time. It's still early in the year to make the list, the 24 new things or 24 things to try in 2024. The first date that we'll be checking back on each other is April 26th, and it's every 4th Friday of every 4 months. And the second date to remember is August 30th. And the last date would be December 27th. And so what we're basically doing is just kind of catching up, similar to Tea Tuesday, just kind of going through our list and sharing what we've done, having a little chat. And you can share pictures, you can do a journal with me session, collage with me session. It's your choice, anything goes, crafter's choice. The only thing we would like you to start off with is to create a master board, kind of creating that, again, roadmap for what you would like to see in 2024. And remember to make that list according to what you like, what makes you happy, and what brings you joy. So I hope you guys can join in the fun again. This is hosted by BB's Closet Creations. And so here it is, guys, my folio. I have used this Heidi Swap folder that I had for many years, and I finally pulled it out of my stash. I love the fact that it says choose happy. So our front collage here is basically just a little cover that will go into our masterboard inside. I always remind myself to always wake up with a grateful heart and always be thankful for all the blessings that we receive. I use some stamping here from, I believe, Tim Holt. It says, imagination is the reality of a dreamer. I love that. We also have the words for our hashtag 24 things to try in 2024. And I love this ephemera piece. I love that she's diving in and Carpe Diem, seize the day. And this is what it's all about. It's taking 2024 is all about taking action and doing things and that bring us joy. So I am super excited to see what you guys come up with. So let's open it up and see what I ended up making. So here is my little collage board. I got some images from magazines, and then I have a little booklet here. The booklet holds 12 of the 24 things I want to try in 2024. So I just wanted to show you some of the collaging. Nothing super, extensive, very simple little cutouts. And I will kind of walk you through as we go along these lists. So some of the things I want to do for sure. There's a garden, Filoli, somewhere I think near Redwood City. And I've always wanted to visit that. So I'd love gardens. I love nature and botanical gardens. I'd like to do that sometime this year. I also want to try a savory dish. And so we have a little pocket here. And this is from Susan Branch's recipe book. And it calls for mushroom pancakes. Now, how fun is that? I love mushrooms and pancakes. So I think this will be a fun recipe to try. There's more on the back here that I may likely try for 2024. We have a little collage with the music sheet because there are some things I want to do that's related to music. We have a little phone that says hello, something to do with keeping in touch with friends. And then I have you and me here. We have like a little typewriter, and I'll tell you what the other things I would like to do. So let me go through some of the things I would like to try in 2024. So I did some stenciling here. Sorry about the glue on my hand. And what I've done is just printed some of the things I would like to try. Discover 10 small bookshops. I love bookstores. Oh my gosh, I have a big collection of books, as you've seen in my hauls. And then it says visit Filoli Garden, host a family luncheon, which is something I enjoy. I love reunions. I love having friends and family over. So I'm hoping to do more of that this year. Try 20 tea flavors because tea time is my favorite time. I would like to try an artist collaboration, and hopefully I can do that also sometime this year. Volunteer at the senior center. It's always nice to give back to the community and help out whenever you can. And I've worked with seniors for many years when I was working in an audiology center, helping them with their hearing aids needs. Meet my sister Corey twice a month. We're always busy, and I love my sister, and I have such a fun time. But we rarely get to see each other, so I would love to bring up the frequency of us having sister time to at least twice a month. So we'll see if we can do that. And then what we have here, teach a free art class for kids at local libraries. So our local library sometimes has openings where you can teach volunteer classes and offer some services to the community. So I'd love to do that. I've done that for a bit, 5 years at my daughter Emmy's school, where I was an art docent and I was teaching art classes. I really enjoy that. So I'd like to revisit that. Write a book, and this one will be interesting. I would like to attempt to write a book. What the subject matter is still up in the air, so stay tuned for that. And then let's see, sorry, that glue on my hand was bothering me, but I would also love to do a road trip with friends, and there's nothing more fun than being with a group of friends that you really value. And I've never done a road trip actually with friends, it's always been with family. So I would like to try that this year. Write a blog. I did have a mommy blog many years ago that I haven't quite written back, or like I haven't posted anything in there, and I would love to revisit it. I had so much fun doing that. And then this 12th one says let go, and that can mean a lot of things. I've always felt that when I purge some items that I no longer use, it really definitely makes me feel joyful. It's like a cleansing, and also letting go of some of the things that whether it's feelings and other things that maybe we've been holding on to for a while that hasn't been very beneficial to us. I think when you learn to let go of those things, then it kind of brings in happiness and makes everything flourish around you. So I feel that's really important. Now, what I've done here is also cut apart some of these little monthly pieces from Daphne's Journal magazine. There's January and February, and I love flowers, as you guys know. So I just wanted to add that. Did a little wax seal here with the beautiful bumblebee there, and I put some leftover lace to decorate it. And then on this side it says all year round. I love birds and springtime, so I wanted to put this in, found this in the Daphne's Journal magazine as a great reminder again. Today is the perfect day to be happy, and each day all year round should be that way, even if we're faced with some of the adversities that we go through. I think we should always try to keep a positive outlook. So when we flip it over, it continues to show the other 12 things I would like to try. So I wanted to save this poem that was written on the back of that page. Did a little bit of stamping there. It says simplicity is a form of artistry, and it says the future belongs to the curious. I love this graphic 45 card. I love that it says live with passion. I love archery, and so I thought it was really cool that she was holding an archery piece there. And then we have this beautiful art illustration and poem. And then on this side, I also found this wonderful quote from Pablo Picasso, who happens to be one of my favorite artists. It says, inspiration exists, but it has to find you working. So being proactive and also just keep going. So here are some of the other things I want to try this 2024. I do not know how to play the piano, but Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic had gifted me a piano, how to teach yourself piano, and I'm going to try and attempt to do that. But what I really want to do is try to play a duet with my oldest daughter, Lil, who visits us now and then when she has a break from her studies in college. So I'm really looking forward to that and learning it with her. Cook a savory breakfast recipe, and that's where I showed you the mushroom recipe. Meet a new friend, and I'm hoping I will be able to meet up with some of my crafty friends that are closer to where I live. So I'm hoping to meet up with Carol from Crinkled Path, and we're working on coordinating that soon. Super excited about that. Again, I love nature, so planting a new tree, particularly a lemon tree, because I love lemons. Write a story, and this could be pertaining to anything. Write a story in your journal, write a story that you would like to tell about yourself or someone. Paint and sip is always fun with friends and family. I love to hike, and a picnic sounds good, so hike and picnic. Dancing is also another fun pastime that I like to do if we have parties. One thing that I've always wanted to try is flamenco dancing, so I'm hoping I can find a class and do that. Also, glass blowing. I have a small collection of glass blown art. It would be great to try to make one myself. And then no spend days. This is something that I need to definitely try in 2024. It's always good to be able to save money, and that definitely helps a lot. So I'm going to try that. Miniature journals. I wanted to show you one that was gifted to me by my really sweet crafty friend, by Mimi with Love. Oh my gosh, she's an amazing journal artist, and she gave this to me on my birthday last year. With Valentine's coming up, I wanted to make something small like this. Nothing, really, not a lot of pages, but something where I can journal on. But look at what she made here with this cute little heart die. I mean, how awesome is that? This is spring themed. She used some of these tea dyed pages. Oh my gosh, Mimi, thank you so much. I love this. I'll be using this as well this year, and I'm going to be attempting to make more of these miniature items because I love miniatures, and we'll do that. And then finally, sing a duet, probably with BB. I don't know. That we've been talking about how much we love singing. It's a wonderful way to just express your feelings, and also it's a great way to decompress from a long day of whatever. And for me, it's kind of form of therapy, just singing and just enjoying music. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little share for 24 things to try in 2024. This is my little folio masterboard. Again, you can make it however way you would like. I am excited to see what you guys come up with, and I hope you guys can join in the fun as we proceed to unravel 2024 and what it has in store for us. It's the year of the dragon. Let's do it. And I hope you check out BB's channel as well. If you decide to join, please put that hashtag, and so that way we can add you to a playlist and see what you have in store for the new year. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.